What's up, everybody? Happy Friday to you. Market up or down? Market is down. You're looking to buy. Problem is we're broke, okay? But we did buy one here. A VFC at 30.81. So let's check the spreadsheet. Whoa! 30.81. We got filled almost 2% lower. Very nice. So this is a teachable moment. Now we have a new average cost, correct? Our new average is 31.26. So we need to put in a new sell order. What should our sell order be for? What's the price? 1%. Pause the video if you need to. We're still making 31 cents a share, so it should be 31.57. Oh, there was a cancel replace order. I should have done that. Oh, I hit the wrong one. So we have, how many? Two of them? 31.57. Limit, good till cancel, and extended. 31.57. Let's do a double check. We have two shares. 31.57, correct. And some of you might be thinking, well, why don't we just leave it where it was at? We'll make more money, right? Well, maybe. But there's something that is more important than money in the stock market, and that is time. Time is something that you cannot buy. And what we really want to do is be in sync with the market. As the market tide rolls in and out, we want to be in and out with it. So we don't want to hang on trying to make another 12 cents a share for 2 weeks. You feel me? So remember, this is just the trading account. This is how we crawl out of the gutter. This is how we can turn a little bit of money into a little bit more money. All right? This is not how you get super wealthy, but this is how we're going to get money to invest with, right? Because most of us are too poor to be investors. We will not live long enough to ever end up with anything. So we're using trading to compound the money once first, and then let some of the profits build some long-term wealth. I don't know what everybody's situation is, but for me, there is no family money. Probably started off in the negative, like most of y'all, with debt, trying to survive. So that's what gives me conviction to keep going on, because I'm not really worried about money for me. I really could care less as long as I have the things I need. But like to provide for the people I care about. So it's a long game for wealth. But trading will help make us rich first, and then we'll get the wealth going. So the market was down. The gap filled just like we were talking about yesterday. And then, if you remember what we were talking about on the weekly, it's this low right here. The low is 362.17, 362.79. So it closed above the low, just barely. The market is made to trick you. The market will pull at your emotions. And this is a huge top wick candle. So people that do only technicals would still probably be okay because it's within the body. But the average Joe, no pun intended, would think we're going down. And we could go down, but I really don't think so. If y'all been following the blog, I posted a few updates today of what I was looking at. And trends start on the hourly. And you can see it's, to me, as obvious as day. Perfect 45-degree angle. There's the flat. with the pin bar. Look at all this green volume. We're going back up, baby, because what do we have now? We have another gap. See this white here? This is the gap. So we're going at least up to here, in my opinion. But like I said, that doesn't affect how we trade our money. We just stay to the plan. Let's go back to the daily. Let's take a look here. This actually did make the new low. So what you really want is for the new low to be taken out and for it to start going up, because what that does is it takes out people who, when this market started going up here, they put their stop loss right here. And when it goes down, it takes all the stop losses out. So they automatically sell, so the market goes down a bit. Then when it starts going back up, they get back in. So it's the same buyers that were sellers. So it moves up even more, and that's what makes the W. But who knows what will happen. The histogram went slightly negative again, but like I said, that's not a huge deal. Everything's all right. Which other ones did we own? I think we own this one, which is still bullish versus those utilities, right? We didn't make a newer low here. We're actually looking at maybe an MA cross and 3M, right? This one just keeps getting clobbered, but this one always gets affected a lot by Chinese news. So this is just getting hammered. Pretty soon we'll be able to average down with our 30 bucks. But still a great company for the long term. They're facing some people are worried they're going to go bankrupt and some other stuff like that. But we're not going to worry until we stop seeing these Ds. So as long as they keep paying out cash flow, it's all good. And this is just an opportunity, right? So if we ever do get back into buying this one again, as you see that it's under the 30 RSI, we'll look at the financials again in FinViz. So we'll check it out. And if something has changed or something's wrong with it, we'll just leave it alone. But everything's good. I can't find a whole lot really to talk about. We went from a gap down that got filled to a gap up, and usually the markets like smoother price action because there are orders at all those prices in between. So that's just my view on it. Really, there's not a whole lot going on. We won't have any cash until Tuesday. So if you're getting bored over the weekend, hit the playlist. Maybe you can learn something that way. If you're interested in the blog, links in the description. It's just random screenshots for me during the day, what I see, what I'm thinking. So if you trade during the day, that might be interesting to you. Maybe not. It's okay either way. But I hope everybody has a great, safe weekend, and we'll catch you next week.